Hi, welcome to this course on basic HTML and CSS for beginners. My name is Reyes Andrea and I have 10 years of experience in the fields of HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, and Photoshop. This course is designed to help you learn the basics of HTML and CSS. In this course, you learn about HTML black label and inline elements. This will cover most of all common HTML elements, such as heading elements, formatting elements, form elements, etc. Then, to put everything you've learned into practice, you'll build an amazing project called Lander, which is basically a static landing page. You're going to learn how to set up the project structure. This includes how to organize the HTML, CSS, and image files. You then will learn how to create the HTML document. You'll learn how to create all these sections of this page, such as the header, the body, and the footer section. Then in CSS, you'll learn how to style all these sections the same way you see here. You'll learn how to set background colors, text colors, and background images. You'll also learn how to position all these elements. So by the end of this course, you'll have the basic skills you need of HTML and CSS to begin a career in web development. Or even if you just want to learn for personal or business purposes. Take the first step and join now to start learning HTML and CSS.